Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lanre and I'm here at the Mobolaji Johnson rail station in Yaba, Lagos. It's a massive work the government is doing here. It was commissioned very recently on the 10th of June 2021 by His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari. So I'm going to be showing you guys around. We'll be taking a tour of this rail station. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you very much. Please come along with me.
Poor transportation infrastructure has been a big hindrance to economic development in Nigeria for a very long time. Transportation is one of the important keys to the economic development and the growth of any country. This is because transportation connects people and places. It enhances cultural, economic, and social interactions. The British colonial government completed Nigeria's first rail infrastructure more than 100 years ago to aid the movement of agricultural goods from the northern region to the ports in the south. The modernized Mobolaji Johnson rail station, Ebute-Metta, is located by the side of the main road just before the Alagomeji bus stop, Murtala Mohammed Way, Alagomeji, Yaba, Lagos. The construction of this rail station commenced in March 2017. And test running commenced in December 2020. The federal government named this train station located at Ebute-Metta after the former governor of Lagos State, Mobolaji Johnson. It is the largest rail station in West Africa with a holding capacity of 6,000 passengers. It is also West Africa's first modern double-track standard gauge railway accommodating high-speed rail lines. It is a very cheering development that the country is doing something monumental about the rail transportation system. What we have is indeed a revolution. The rail revolution in Nigeria is a big deal as far as attempts to revive vital infrastructure in Nigeria is concerned. The model of the Mobolaji Johnson rail station, Ebute-Metta, is replicated in Itakpe, Abeokuta, and Ibadan, though not as big. President Buhari on the 10th of June 2021 inaugurated the commercial operations of the Lagos-Ibadan Railway project at the Mobolaji Johnson Railway Station, Ebute-Metta, Lagos, describing the accomplishment as another milestone in the drive of his administration to revitalize the railway system as a choice mode of transportation for both passengers and freight.
I am here with one of the construction workers here on site at the Mobolaji Johnson rail station, and I'm going to be asking him about his experience working at the rail station here. Hi, please, can we meet? What's your name, please?
My name is Alex.
Alright, so Alex, how has it been working here? How has the experience been?
I work here, it's getting to 2 years now.
Oh, okay. That was like maybe 2019?
Yes, 2019.
Okay, so how do you feel that the project is coming to an end now?
The project is coming to an end. We do it perfectly. I believe that everything will be well.
Alright, so what was your job on site?
My job inside, I'm a carpentry.
Okay, carpentry.
Yes.
Okay. So what were you doing before you came here?
It's the same thing. Before I came here, I was doing carpentry, managing my carpentry work.
Oh, okay. So I'm sure you'll be going back to doing that after that.
And after the project finished, I will go back and continue with my work.
I wish you all the best, Alex. Good to talk with you. Thank you. Bye.
That's right.
I am here with the revenue generating consultant of the Nigerian Railway Corporation. So we're going to be talking to him and asking about his experience and what his job is here on site. Hi, please, can we meet you?
Okay, my name is Jimo Motayo. I work with Arit and Paul Limited. We are revenue generating consultant to Nigerian Railway.
Alright, so what is that about?
We help our federal government to generate revenue from their properties, and as you can see from this marvelous edifice.
Oh, awesome. So what has been your role in trying to find out some of these opportunities, and what opportunities have you been able to
Okay. Of course, as you can see this edifice, we have marvelous opportunities for indoor and outdoor advertisements, marketing, shops, which are endless. And as you can see, we can make a lot of money from these new structures. We can talk about outdoor advertising, we can talk about BTS, we can talk endless. The opportunities are endless in these structures.
I love the idea of the advertisement stuff you talked about, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to be coming in here, and that will be a very creative revenue generation. So how much are we talking about in Naira?
We are talking about 500 million annually, and within 2 to 3 years, we are talking about billions, which we can generate. Of course, don't forget that these opportunities were not there prior to the intake of the minister. Of course, His Honorable Minister, Honorable Rotimi Amechi. We talk about President Muhammadu Buhari, His Excellency, and we talk about the MD of Nigerian Railway as well as MD Properties. These are people who force the synergy to make something out of this Nigerian Railway Corporation. As you can see, the revival is bringing a whole lot to Nigeria as a community, and it's making Nigeria a smaller village, because we are now talking about opportunities that is abound from people staying in Ibadan, Lagos, and even Abeokuta. Is going to annex 3 states together to give us just one particular community, and we can talk about the ease of doing business. You can stay in Ibadan and you can be making your business daily basis in Lagos. The opportunities are endless for business, for movement, and for all other views that we seek to address. Like I said, the opportunity are endless. You can see Lagos State are now tapping into the resources provided by the federal government. They are now building what we call the red line and the blue lines, which can now annex the opportunity of our rail tracks of the standard gauge. They are now utilizing it to put their red line into the track. So a whole lot of opportunities are abound. And now we are just talking about the opening of Ebute Meta station and the Agege station. There are a lot that are coming up. I'm talking about the Wari Itape that has been launched recently. We are also talking about the ones that will lead to Kano and other. We are connecting Nigeria into a smaller village. So I want you to look at all those ones. And thanks to the correct government, His Excellencies Muhammad Buhari and the Minister of Transportation, His Honorable Rotimi Amechi, they've worked assiduously and they've put a whole lot into this project to actualize this opportunity. I'm telling you, by the time we finish all these projects, sky will be the beginning of Nigeria. It's not only the limit as well. Of course, we have to talk about the opportunities created by the China partners. Yeah. They've also contributed their quotas, which is very, very much to this project. And at the end of the day, I think it's a better thing for Nigeria at large to benefit from. It's a very, very, very good thing.
Wow, thank you so much for talking. It's been so enlightening talking with you, Jimo. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is the old station building located just beside the new one at Alagomeji bus stop, Yaba. But as of now, all operations have moved to the modernized Mobolaji Johnson Rail Station building. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel for more amazing content coming your way. See you in the next video. Bye for now.